Aria hothe ogekorwo rere na ikereka ria keri ni gututhia na mbere na gukomenyithia mohoro maria tukuhaririirie hwaini uyu wa umuthi. Tugithia na mbere ati thirikari kugerera minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i ni uritio igacirithie ugitiri mwena wa Kerio Valley thutha wa haro gutumuka gatagati ka aici a mahio na aikari a mwena ucio.
Kwendekithĩtie atĩ arimũ makorwo makĩheo matharaita ma kwĩgitĩra na gũkorwo makĩgitĩra ciana kumana na andũ arĩa makoretwo makĩmatharĩkĩra mwena ũcio. Ũhoro ũyũ makĩria twamũkĩre kuma kũrĩ Jonde wa Kũng'ũ.
Ajumbe kuma gĩcigo kĩa Rift Valley rĩu nĩ morĩtie thirikari ĩke mĩtũkĩ kũgitĩra mathukuru ma mwena ũcio nĩ ũndũ wa ciĩko cia ica ikuhĩ cia ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie arutwo erĩ gũtũmwo kiri-inĩ mahinda mao matarĩ makinyu nĩ aici a nginya na mahũngũ.
Two students were killed. The students of Chesawat Primary School in Marakwet East, and the students of the pupils were Collins Kipkemboi, a standard 3 boy of 9 years, and Dennis Kiprono of standard 5. They were killed by the bandits from Pokot side.
Wabunge ya marenda thirikari kugerera cabinet secretary wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Matiang'i macere gĩcigo gĩkĩ na oho ithukĩre arutani matharaita ta mĩcinga ya gotora kuona ho gũkua ũgitĩri ũthiĩte ona mbere na gũbutha mathukuru-inĩ.
The government, especially the Interior Minister Mr. Matiang'i, to please take a leading role to visit to Kerio Valley and make sure that peace is restored in Kerio Valley. Alternatively, we are calling the government to give firearms to the teachers along the Kerio Valley, because if there is no government to protect the teachers and their students, let the teachers be armed. Let them be given guns so that they can protect themselves and their students.
Mwandĩki mũkaru kĩama-inĩ kĩa arutani Wilson Sossion nĩugĩte rĩu mathomo merekeire gũthongoma na kuona arutani matiĩtĩkĩra gũthiĩ gũthomithia kũrĩa maramenya mĩoyo yao ĩrĩ hatĩka-inĩ.
Taken over, and I can assure the public, teachers will not report and execute their duties in areas that are insecure. There is no miracle that will compel them to report in such areas.
Rĩu maitho mothe marongoreirio thirikari nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra ũgitĩri nĩ wagacĩrithio mwena ũcio.
We will be backward. Our children are not going to go to school. We want the government to take action and serious action.
Gwa kahinda ga thikũ thiangu gĩcigo gĩkĩ gĩkoretwo gĩtarũkangĩirwo kĩharo nĩ ũndũ wa aici a mahiũ arĩa mahotorete kũgetha kũrĩa matahandĩte harĩa haro icio cigũmĩire atumia na ciana mũno.
Wanazika watoto wao wadogo, watu wanazika wazee ambao wakwenda kupigana vita, na tunasema tuna Kenya ambayo ina uhuru. Uhuru gani kama watu wengine wanalia?
Thĩinĩ ha ceceni ya Gĩkũyũ Television, njĩtĩkaga Jonde wa Kũng'ũ.
Riu ni mwekwe nginagia thiini wa county ya Laikipia kuria uthii ni uthararite tauni-ini ya Nanyuki wa kahinda ga thiku igiri riu thutha wa huri biashara a matatu kurungana ni kiria marauga ni guthukirio biashara ciao ni ene ngari cia Probox rodo mwena center.
Marina matuko ya maige ni mamenereirie mũrũgamĩrĩri wa atumia kaunti-inĩ ĩyo Nwekĩto Waruru makiuga atĩ ni akoretwo agĩtetera ene ngari icio ona thengi wao gũkorwo makanĩtio gũkorwo magĩkuĩra mwena ũcio.
Hizi gari zimetusubua sana. Ukienda kwa kioo ya hii gari, uangalie zile barua ambazo hii gari iko nazo. Utaangalia hii gari iko na insurance. Insurance yake haiwezi kaliganishwa na insurance ya Sienta. Hii gari inalipa kadi ya Nakuru, inalipa kadi ya Nanyuki. Alafu ukifika hapa Nairobi inalipa.
Hawana kitu hata moja ya barabara.
Wanatoka kwa duzi wanaingia.
Hiyo gari hata speed governor haina. Inakubebea kila mahali.
Country rep wetu anakuja anasema Sienta siasa kubeba. Na anasema ni lazima. Wanafanya mkutano, anatusi OCS, anatusi matrafiki wote. Sasa tunasema Sienta hasitabeba Nanyuki. Hata kama tutaenda wiki mzima.
Niko na mtoto mwingine pia nilikuwa naenda kuchukua Nairobi, amefunga shule. Ako studied, ameshafika Nairobi town, ako studied, nilikuwa niende nimchukue ndio nimrudishe huku Nanyuki.
Tugethie Na mbere ni ati gikundi kimwe kia mbeu njithi kuma kaunti-ini ya Githioro ndomwe na Nyamira na kiria kioikaine ta Gusii Young Leaders ni mokite hamwe na kwambiria mihang'o ya uhandi wa miti ngiri imwe thiini wa cukuru citiganite thiini wa kaunti icio.
Matacoketie ikinya riri ni gugutigirira ati ni maramata maria maturigishirie na nigetha urimi guku bururi-ini utuike wa kugacira.
Our main aim is to go around the Gusii region to try and sensitize our people on the importance of environmental management, having social responsibilities, and guiding our young brothers. We have done 20 schools about the tree planting, and this one is the 21st school. I want to urge other youths who are out there to join this noble idea.
As teachers and as a union, we are happy that these children are very ready. They graduated from different universities with different professions. We know that they are going to be very resourceful to our community, Gusii community.
We have planted trees here. Trees bring rain, and as we know, they beautify our environment.
Mnajua why we need trees? Yes. For rain and what? And to prevent soil erosion. You know, there's climate change. So the more we have more trees, the more we get more rain, the more the weather becomes better.
Ambapo njaa imetokana na ukosefu wa mvua. Ambapo mvua ikikosekana hakutakuwa na chakula. Ndiposa sisi tukaonelea ni vyema ili tuweze kuwahimiza muhimu wa kupanda miti. Na tukipanda miti hakuna siku wakati wote ambapo Kenya tutakuwa na shida ya maji na tutakuwa na shida ya vyakula.
Leo ni mwekwe nginagia thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu na ni ati waki wa demu ya Karimeno mwena wa Gatundu ya Rugongo ukirie gukorwo ukiambĩrĩria thutha wa kambuni nyene kandarathi ya waki ucio kunengerwo marũa ma kwambĩrĩria wĩra ni mutabarĩri munene wa kambuni ya The Water nowe Michael Thoita.
Makiria ma family 90 iria igukorwo ikuhutio kana iria ciamukirite marihi niguo waki uyu ukorwo ukiambĩrĩria cihetwo thikũ kana cihetwo mieri 6 niguo cikorwo ciathamira kundu kungi.
Our main aim is to go around the Gusii region to try and sensitize our people on the importance of environmental management, having social responsibilities, and guiding our young brothers. We have done 20 schools about the tree planting, and this one is the 21st school. I want to urge other youths who are out there to join this noble idea.
As teachers and as a union, we are happy that these children are very ready. They graduated from different universities with different professions. We know that they are going to be very resourceful to our community, Gusii community.
Na riboti okuma mwena wa Gatundu ya Rugongo ne gutuhekanya kwamba wikirio rohanini tu tukiambe tugithie mwena uri unge wa wonjoria ni amundi yake ona mwandiki witu wa mohoro megie wonjoria wa Mbui wa Gakibe na akihariririo ro wega gutigira ati ni akwagitumenyithia mohoro megie wonjoria.